guys, welcome back to my channel. And time is around 6:30 in the morning, and right now we are going to Mysore Road, so meet some of my friends, and my brother is with me. And today we will be seeing a lot of super bikes, so stay tuned. Let's go. So guys, yesterday was a very sunny day, and we were literally profusely sweating out there. And today the climate is pleasant. Hope it be like that for the whole day, so that we could easily log and take some nice shots. Right, Nasudan? Guys, it's time for number metro. So guys, we have arrived at Mysore Road metro station. So we're gonna wait here for our friends to join. So I will catch you when they are here. Okay guys, all my friends are here. And right now we are going to some location to do a shoot. So let's go. Just take a look at these man. So guys, we will be going in the car. ಗೊತ್ತಾಗ್ಲಿಲ್ಲ. Okay guys, just look at the background. Oh, filled with loud pipes, man. And as usual, my brother is clicking the photos, so just take a look at it. ಆನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. Guys, absolutely the willpower is the best power. And guys, right now we are finished with the shoot and we have come to have our lunch. Right now the time is around 11:30 and let's see what's going to happen.